let us listen to any of the ladies. Vivrishi, would you like to start, and then Sheetal?
Sure. So the lesson was climate change, and I learned from the lesson that was, first of all, I learned the concept of climate change, what climate change is. The importance of this lesson is that, as we all know, that right now we are going through a lot of drastic changes around the world, where we know like how the glaciers are melting, global warming, greenhouse effect. So when we are going through these topics, it's very important to know why it is affecting the environment and what is the effect of climate change. So it's very important. Moreover, I have also learned some activities which I would implement in my daily lives so that I can also contribute towards climate change.
For example, if you can name any one activity that you're going to be very careful of, something.
Yes, so like this was shared by my students. So I will be planting more trees. I will try to save electricity.
Yes.
I will use less plastic bags. Like,
Good. Very nice, Vivrishi. Very nice. Thank you for sharing. There is also one response in chat box, which is by Ritesh. Learned about active and patient listening. Thank you, Ritesh. Keep writing, everybody. Let's listen to Sheetal and then Anjali.
Yes, so my
There are many responses in the chat box too. Let's read them. I learned the importance of hygiene. It is important because it helps us to stay healthy and fit. I will implement it in my daily life. And also, Rajat, it can be more specific. Where specifically, while washing hands, or before, after eating food, things like that. Thank you, Rajat. Thank you. Omega has written to stop climate change for future. That's why it's important. Where to apply? I will start applying from my house and my surrounding. And again, same feedback for Omega too. It can be more specific that how. For example, I think Saloni has just shared that I'll start walking more rather than taking two-wheelers. I'll plant more trees. Thank you, everybody.